Hello, we are here today to talk about an infection called the whooping cough. Whooping cough is caused by a bacterium called the Bordetella pertussis bacterium. Brian, over to you.
Thank you. The whooping cough can be a very serious infection. It is more common in infants and young children, but older children and adults can also get whooping cough. Whooping cough can be a life-threatening illness in infants, causing death in some cases. Symptoms develop in cases, starting with mild symptoms first, before becoming more severe. Early symptoms of whooping cough are similar to those of a common cold, and include sore throat, runny or blocked nose, sneezing, watering eyes, dry, irritating cough, a slightly raised temperature, and feeling generally unwell. These early symptoms of whooping cough can last for 1 to 2 weeks, before becoming more severe. The second stage of whooping cough is often called the paroxysmal stage and is characterized by intense bouts of coughing. The paroxysmal symptoms of whooping cough include intense bouts of coughing, which bring up thick phlegm, a whoop sound with every sharp intake of breath during a coughing fit, vomiting after coughing, and fatigue and redness in the face from the effort of coughing. Each bout of coughing usually lasts between 1 and 2 minutes, but they can last longer. The paroxysmal symptoms of whooping cough usually last at least 2 weeks, but can last longer, even after treatment. After this, the recovery stage comes in, lasting about 3 months.
Right, thank you for coming in tonight, and thank you guys for watching.